Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for December 30th. We're looking at the Euro, US Japanese Yen. If we take a look at, as far as from a trade perspective, what I'm looking at during this next session, we have, there we go. We have a situation where we had a gap up and then a doji bar on Friday, gap down. We've almost retraced that. We're a few pips shy of that, but I am looking for it to reverse around. We have this doji bar here. Reversal bar. I'm looking for it to head down and ultimately move and fill this gap. Now, what that looks like from a trade perspective, let me just put this on here. Definitely tagged low. I'd like to see it retrace completely this gap that occurred, 31 pip gap that occurred prior to getting into this trade. Definitely looking for it to come down to this point. And then my next target's going to be right here. So from a trade perspective, kind of what that looks like, risk to reward, we have about a 41 pip move there down to a 78 pip move, risking probably a 1-to-1 above this high would put it at about 52 pip. Stop loss definitely would go to break even here and look to see if it'll drop on down another 40 pips or so. So that is what I'm looking for during this next session. As far as news announcements go, we do have one news announcement. The Chinese are releasing their manufacturing PMI numbers for December at 8 p.m. Eastern tomorrow. Consensus on that is that it's edged higher from 50.6 up to 51.0. Well, as far as the overall ranges for this next session, let's take a look at what those are going to be. In the US Japanese yen pair, we have a potential for it to go up to 86.89, possibly as low as 85.21. Look for some resistance around 86.65 and look for some support around 85.50. Now, the Euro-USD pair been moving sideways overall. Definitely look for a breakout now that the holidays are over. This could continue into the new year. So we'll have today's session. Tomorrow will be closed. New Year's Day will be closed, and then it should open up. After that, we definitely should see a breakout, but look for it to potentially go between 133.06 and 131.23. Look for some resistance around 132.75 and look for some support around 131.50. Now, the pound US dollar pair closed on its highs during this last session, been moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 162.52, possibly as low as 160.41. Look for some resistance around 162.00 and look for some support around 160.75. Now, the US Swiss, this pair moved sideways as well over the past several sessions due to the holidays. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 0.9209, possibly as low as 0.9082. Look for some resistance around 0.9175 and look for some support around 0.9105. Well, that pretty much wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.